Nityananda. Again, this is Man Nityananda. I'm 15 years old and I'm a Balasan from the Nityananda Gurukul. In my last video, I told you all about the power manifestation. Today, I want to tell you all how it is possible for you. See, in the last weekend, Swamiji has conducted a webinar where almost 200 centers joined the two-way session. Whoever joined, not even a single person went back without reading. Everyone who was part of the session manifested the power of third eye. See, it is not dependent upon the person. See, this whole science Swamiji is reviving, our Guru is reviving from the Agamas. So the science with Swamiji and Sadashiva revealed is possible for any person in this world. Swamiji always tells, don't suspect anything. Every man with a head has a third eye. So if you want to express powers like us, come and join us in the July 25th IA or coming up Sadashiva program. Thank you.